What's up, everybody? Today, you already know, without further ado, without further BS, we're going to get right into it. And today we've got another in the series of Caudabe cases, and that is going to be the Caudabe Sheath. Okay, so it's going to be Caudabe Sheath case for them. Now, this is going to be part of their more minimal line, just to give you a heads up. But without further ado, this is what you can expect from the video. We're going to check the first look around, see what the unboxing experience is like. Then we're gonna do the fit check on the phone, USB, shake and bake like y'all know we do, and then give you my final thoughts. Let's get into it. Now this might be your first Caudabe unboxing, so let's do it right. Let's go ahead and show you guys what to expect. You're gonna have the branding on the front like you see right there, sheath on the bottom, let you know what you're getting. And then on the very bottom, it's gonna have the actual color of the case itself. So with that, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we get from Caudabe. Now this sheath is going to be right out the gate. You guys already see what that is. There's no hiding it. This is gonna be part of their elemental collection. And this color is gonna be that eucalyptus. Now let's go ahead again for my folks that maybe have never done an unboxing from Caudabe, see what you get, see how it goes. So pop the top on this. What you're gonna see right away is going to be the case in all of its glory right here. At the very top, it's gonna talk to you about what the product is about, how to contact customer service and their socials. No fuss, no muss there. Let's go ahead and take this case out. We'll set the case over to the side right here because we're gonna do our first look around here in a second. Let's see what we get in the box. So inside the box, nothing super fancy. I'm going to tell you, like, out of the unboxing experiences from a lot of them, they use some quality materials on this box, so I'm digging it. But inside of here, we get a little envelope like we're getting invited to a wedding or something. And what does it say on here? It's going to tell us a little bit about why they do the eucalyptus. So I'm just going to give you guys the first line. Eucalyptus is inspired by the resilient gum tree, known for its countless benefits, including anti-inflammatory and revitalizing properties. So get a nice little why they chose this color from Caudabe. Put that back in there and let's go ahead and set this over to the side and see what we get with this case. So on the left side of the case, you're gonna get your action button. You're gonna get your volume up and volume down button. By the way, this, like the other synthesis case I reviewed, these are gonna have aluminum buttons. Okay, so aluminum buttons, color matched. On the bottom, you're gonna have your symmetrical cutouts for your USB and your speaker and your microphone. So microphone is speaker, USB-C opening right there. On the other side, you're gonna have that covered camera control button. Caudabe did it right. Not many brands are doing this, but there are a few brands that are doing this the way you're supposed to. Covered camera control button. Then you're gonna have your, again, aluminum power button. Okay, so let's look at the back. So on the back right here, you are gonna have what they call a precise cutout with this sheath case. Okay, so it's gonna be a precise cutout to cover your phone. Then on the very bottom, you guys can see right here, you're gonna have that minimal Caudabe branding that they are oh so known for. On the inside right here, what do we get? So on the inside, you already get this microfiber texture to protect your phone, make it feel nice and important. And again, you got that little, I don't know if that's a eucalyptus tree. Eucalyptus tree leaves, I'm gonna assume that is. And again, the inside, okay? Something that I'm gonna do right now is something new for the channel. I went out and bought some stuff because maybe you guys are into this, right? Maybe you wanna know some more stuff about the case. So let's bring in our scale and let's see how much the case weighs. So we're gonna turn on our scale right there. We got it on grams. So this Caudabe Sheath case is going to be a total of 51 grams. So we got 51 grams right here for the Caudabe Sheath case. Not too bad. So like for me, I've got the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So 51 grams for the case plus 245 for the phone itself. So let's see here. 296 total weight. So not bad. Add a little bit of weight to your phone. Then I'm gonna bring in my caliber. So again, I'm promising y'all a couple of new things with the channel. So that was the weight of the phone. Let's take a look and see how much thickness and width is going to add to the size of your phone. So when it comes to width, this is going to add about 3.62 millimeters to either side of the phone. Okay, so 3.62 millimeters for my numbers nerds out there. Now, when it comes to how thick the case is, let's go ahead and bring in our caliber. This is going to be 12.60 millimeters in height, okay, or thickness, however you want to say it. So I gave you a couple of different new things. Y'all let me know in the comment section. Do y'all care about what I just did, right? Do you want to know the weight of the phone like I just showed you guys? Do you want to know the thickness of the sidewall like you guys just saw, and also the thickness right there, how much thickness is adding to your phone? Let me know in the comment section if you guys like it. Maybe I'll keep doing it for the channel. All right, so we did the first look around, we weighed it, we checked out the thickness. Let's go ahead and get our white gloves on and do a little bit of a look around. All right, so now we got our phone. Let's bring it in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put this in, make sure our buttons are good, pop in one side, push it all the way in, nice and snug against that wall. And then let's see what that snap sounds like. Okay, nice little snap into place right there. So let's go ahead and take a look around the phone. Let's make it brief since we've already looked at the case by itself. So this is gonna be the bottom of your phone, how it looks in this case. Side, top, other side, and back. So the back is where you're really gonna see that two-tone contrast come in with this eucalyptus color against that eucalyptus green. It's like, to me, it's more of like a mint green, but you guys can see the contrast between the cosmic orange and then of course the eucalyptus green that they have right here. So while we're at it, let's go ahead and check out how tactile these buttons are. So let's start off with the volume up button. Volume down. Action button, power button, and camera control button. So tell me what you guys think about that tactile sound. Does it pass the bill or what? So let's take a look at protection. What can you expect when it comes to protection with this case? Okay, number one, let's look at the front. So on the front of this, guys, I'm going to tell you the sheath, when it comes to comparison with the synthesis is going to have a higher lip, a thicker lip, a higher lip. It's going to be way more protective. When you go with the sheath, you're thinking more minimal protection. Okay, more minimal protection. The reason why I say that is if you look right here, guys, on camera, hopefully you guys can see that. But you're gonna have a much more minimal front lip for your face down protection here, okay? It's gonna be an even lip all the way around, but it's gonna be more minimal. Then on the back, when it comes to the protection for your cameras, this again is gonna be on the more minimal side. Yes, the camera plateau is covered, guys, but I'm gonna tell you guys right now where the inner part of this camera plateau protection is and where the lens ends. Couple hairs, maybe a hair, maybe a couple hairs, but it is not much of a height difference between where the lens ends and where the camera plateau protection for this case is, okay? So again, this is gonna be something for more of my folks that they want a more minimal case. They don't care if it's super protective. They like the look of these cases. They like the feel of it because this does have a pebble textured all the way around with this case, which is, it feels pretty good in the hand, okay? Oh, before I go on, let's go ahead and check the sides. So for this, you guys can see on the camera, for this sheath case, the side's gonna have very minimal movement. Top's gonna have very minimal movement. You have to pull it really hard. The bottom's gonna be the only place where it has some movement on it, okay, guys? So just keep that in mind. All right, so let's go ahead and check our USBs. So we're gonna start off with the Apple USB. See how it fits on here. So you guys can see with this Apple USB cable, you got a lot of room to grow right there, okay? A lot of room to grow. So not a problem with if you're running a USB cable from Apple. What if you're running a more bulky cable? What can you expect with that? Let's bring in our bulky cable. It's got a fat head on it. So here's our more bulky cable with a fat head, and it's gonna fit also, as you guys can see on camera right there, it's gonna fit without a problem. This much more bulky cable right here. So USB, two different types, two different kinds, fits pretty good. You guys know what's next? Let's check what the MagSafe charge be looking like. So let's go ahead and bring in our MagSafe puck. Puck, it's a fun word to say, puck. Bring that in. So you guys can get the satisfaction. Let's go ahead and turn that over. You guys can see right there that MagSafe is gonna work without no issue on this case. Okay, so you know why you came to this channel, okay? You didn't come for the normal stuff. You came for the Bobby G patented shake and bake test you can only find on here, brought to you by our tripod from the Camolo brand. So let's go ahead and bring it in, slap it on, and shake the heck out of this case, okay? So y'all can see from the top down, I'm shaking the absolute HE double hockey sticks out of this. And then y'all can see from the front that I'm shaking it. This case is goated when it comes to the magnets. So let's see here. We done the first look around. We did our fit check. We did our USB, MagSafe. We did our shake and bake. Let's go ahead and go start for our wrap up and give you my final thoughts. My final thoughts for this case is going to be, it is a great case. Okay, I'm gonna take off my gloves so you guys can see. It's gonna be a great case. It's gonna feel good in the hands. That pebble texture that they have on the exterior feels really good. It's very satisfactory, or it's a very satisfying feeling in your hand. The aluminum buttons are on point. Again, this is gonna be a case on more on the minimal side. So you're gonna have very minimal protection when it comes to that front lip and on the back for the cameras, okay? So maybe this is like your date night case. Or if you're really protective of your phones, maybe you just rock it every single day. I don't care. I'm just gonna tell you the facts. Leave it up to you guys to decide if you wanna get this case or if you wanna get something more protective like the Synthesis. So guys, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thanks for coming out and checking this Synthesis case for me. Y'all know what I need y'all to do, okay? I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe like y'all been doing, man. My channel has absolutely been going beast mode right now. I've been getting a lot of subscribers and a lot of view time. So thank you so much to folks that have been tuning in. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. You're gonna pick up this Sheath case. You're gonna pick up the Synthesis case. I'm gonna actually pop somewhere. What is it, on this side? No, I think it's on this side right here. I'll pop the video for the Synthesis so you guys can check that out and then basically decide between the two of these or other cases that I've reviewed, which one you're gonna pick up. If y'all do decide to pick up a case, you know what to do. No cost to you, but it helps me out just a little bit, y'all. Helps me be able to make content like this for you guys. Use my link down in the description, down in the comment section to be able to purchase this. Again, helps me out a little bit, no additional cost to you. Guys, it's been a pleasure to introduce you to this Caudabe Sheath case. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Bobby G and I'm out. Peace.